Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Virtual Preschool. I am so glad you have decided to join me for circle time today. Let's figure out what day of the week it is. The last day of school we had was Wednesday, Thursday. So today is Friday. Yes, so let's move that rainbow arrow down to Friday. All right, and who remembers the name of our month? April showers bring May flowers, right? It's May. All right, let's go ahead and count those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes next? 6. And let's look at our pattern. Blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Blue flower, what's going to come next? Pink flower, yes. So we have a number 6 with a pink flower on it. All right, so that was yesterday. That was a 3's class day. 4, 5, 6, what comes next? 7, and the pattern, blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Blue flower, pink flower. What's going to come next? Bird, yes. So we have a number 7 with a bird on it. All right, so let's go ahead and say the whole date. Today is Friday, May 7th, 2021. All right, let's look out your window to see what the weather is like. When you look out your window, is it partly cloudy, cloudy, sunny, windy, rainy, stormy, or snowy? I hope it's not snowy. All right, if you step out your door, does it feel burning hot, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing cold? And don't forget to look up the number for the temperature on your weather app. All right, so this week we've been talking all about plants, right? How plants grow, what they need to grow, what the parts of a plant are, all those fun things. So let's see what our book is today. And this book is one of those that was too big to put in the right way, so I had to put it in sideways. So let's pull it on out. This is a new book this year that I borrowed from the library. This is called Plants Can't Sit Still. All right. Plants don't have feet or fins or wings, yet they can move in many ways. Look closely and you'll discover that plants can't sit still. Plants can wiggle. As seedlings start to grow, they squirm out of spring soil, unfold their leaves, and reach for the warmth and the light. Now, if you have your parents look in the email I sent out for this week, there is a YouTube link that shows a time-lapse video of a plant sprouting, right? So that shows a plant moving. It's a time-lapse video, which means they took the video over a long, long period of time, and then they made it go really fast, so you could see it all very quickly. Plants can creep. They slither underground or crawl tall through the grass. Crawl through tall grass, not crawl tall through the grass. Searching for the things that all plants need: water, sunshine, and room to grow. As they search, plants can climb a fence or walk up a wall. Plants can hide from a hungry grasshopper or surprise a fly. Snap. See how those leaves closed up because the grasshopper is on it? Some plants sleep at night, leaves nodding, flowers folding. Others wake with the stars and lift their faces to the moon. Plants can tumble on a breeze, whoosh, as they bounce along, seeds sprinkle out. Oh, so there's another way that seeds travel. Plants even explode. They fling their seeds into the world to make new plants. We saw that in a couple other books we read, didn't we? A seed is a plant built for travel. Seeds can whirl like helicopters, or float like parachutes, or glide on papery wings, but they can't sit still. Seeds hitchhike on your sock or on a fox's bushy tail. They take a ride inside a bear. Remember, we talked about all those things too. Seeds set sail, sploosh, down the river, past swaying trees, into the wide ocean, drifting, waiting for what all plants need: water, sunshine, and room to grow. When the seed finds a spot, the seedling squirms out. It unfolds its leaves. It reaches for the warmth and the light, and it keeps on moving because plants can't sit still. All right. I like that book. That's one I had never read before this year. Okay, so I only have one new thing to show you today because I kind of messed up and did a lot on Monday instead of kind of putting them throughout the week. But that's okay. We have in your packet some flower patterns. These are pretty flowers. There's several different sheets of it. Yours are not laminated like mine. All right, and you have cards to finish the patterns with. All right, so here's the set of cards. Now, there are not enough of these cards to complete all the patterns on every page at the same time. All right, that was not the way the person made this activity. So what we're going to do is look at a pattern. So we have pink and green, blue, pink. Pink and green, blue. What's going to come next? This one, right? Pink. So let's find that flower. There it is. So then you would put that one right here to finish the pattern. All right. Then we have orange, blue and green, pink and blue. Orange, blue and green, pink and blue. So I'm going to find that next one to finish the pattern. Where is it? There it is. All right, I can't hold two at the same time. So, see there, I finished that pattern. So you are finishing these patterns, all right, with the correct ending for it. Just like the calendar, right? A pattern is the same thing over and over, right? So the same set of flowers in this over and over. All right, so that is what I have to share with you today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget about packet pickup today between 10 and 12 at the preschool window, all right? And I hope to see most of you there. Have a great weekend. Bye, everyone.